Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Markets and Matchups.
We'll be kicking off with a wrap of the markets before jumping into Scarlet's NRL.
Footy tipping comp.
That's the one.
Yes, make sure you've got your tips in. It was a crazy week last week on tips. How'd you go?
Yeah, I did all right.
We'll see how everyone else went as well.
Okay, diving into the markets. So since last Wednesday, US equity markets have experienced a mix of cautious trading and a strong rebound driven by geopolitical developments. Midweek, markets initially responded positively to Federal Reserve's decision to keep interest rates on hold. The S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq all notched modest gains following the announcement. However, by the end of the week, investor sentiment turned more cautious and all three major indices posted slightly weaker losses. S&P 500 slipped 0.5%, Dow was down 0.2%, and the Nasdaq fell 0.3%. Markets then rebounded sharply on Monday night, following news that the US and China had reached a temporary agreement to reduce tariffs over the next 90 days. Under the deal, the US will scale back tariffs on Chinese goods from as high as 145% to around 30%, while China will lower its tariffs on US imports from 125% to 10%. Looking ahead, traders are turning their attention to upcoming US inflation data, particularly the Consumer Price Index report, which could influence future Federal Reserve policy decisions and market direction. Since last Wednesday, the Australian share market has posted modest gains, supported by rising oil and gold prices and strength in the energy and healthcare sectors. The ASX 200 rose 0.48% by Friday and extended gains on Monday and Tuesday following the trade tariff deals between US and China. Okay, quick update of commodities. Gold prices have experienced fluctuations with a notable decline of approximately 1.4% on Monday. This drop followed positive outcomes from US and China trade talks with reduced investor demand for safe haven assets like gold.
Chris, this week's wins and losses, round 10. A lot of second half comebacks, bunnies,
Yeah,
Bulldogs.
surprising games, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, anyone that stuck out to you in particular?
Yeah, like you said, the Bulldogs game.
Bulldogs had their biggest comeback since 2001. Isn't that crazy versus the Raiders?
Wow, that is crazy. It's
Raiders have now dropped to 3 or 4 and Warriors is coming second on the leaderboard.
Warriors second, Bulldogs 1,
First, yeah.
Storm 4, is it?
What grand final do you reckon it will be? Warriors?
Oh, I'd love it.
Bulldogs for sure.
I don't know. It's too early to say, I reckon. I mean, even Penrith are like, I think they've found their stride a little bit.
Penrith?
Yeah. You'd be surprised. So what was your standout game of the week?
Well, okay, I enjoyed Tigers losing that game. I didn't enjoy Tigers losing, but I like 64-0.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful. We got a lot of
Tigers supporters. I know. I apologize. I was a Tigers supporter once myself a few rounds ago.
Yeah.
So it's fine. But that was a pretty good, not good game, but like, you know, a big loss. Yeah. But I also, Panthers, Cowboys.
Yeah.
I don't love that like no one
won.
There
was no result.
Yeah.
I agree. But you can't keep going on and on.
Yeah, I didn't know that was a thing.
Oh, you didn't?
Well, obviously they didn't go on and on, but I thought they would have to be a winner.
Yeah,
no.
You'd like one, but is what it is.
1 point's better than nothing, I guess.
Any standouts from the Storm game?
Ryan Pappenhausen, for sure. 3 tries in the first 16 minutes and 4 tries overall. Yeah, crazy. Yeah. Really good game from him. But yeah, no, Latrell Mitchell. Do you have any thoughts on...
Back to Latrell?
Like, those are the people that I thought played good.
Yeah.
Any thoughts on Luke Metcalf this week?
Yeah, like I said, this is the 3rd week in a row I'm talking about him.
It's all you ever talk about.
It's not.
It is.
Because you keep
him
asking
and
about it,
RTS, obsessed with.
RTS,
huge fan.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, look, it's very positive that we have a half playing that well.
Yeah.
And with that much confidence too. And then, like you said, we've got RTS back.
Is he back? Or when's he coming?
So
potentially this weekend.
Very soon. He's back soon. And then the Warriors are just looking so strong. They when they're confident, they can play so well.
Yeah, and you know what I didn't realise? You have one of our Panthers players playing.
Who, Fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a Kiwi.
Yeah, but I didn't know he moved.
No.
I didn't realise until I was watching and I was like, I swear he was in
You're
Panthers.
jumping ship again, aren't you?
Maybe. Okay, and who are the Warriors versing this week?
We have the Dolphins up there, I believe.
Oh.
Yeah. Our track record's not amazing, I don't think. But like I said, we've got so much momentum.
But up there on their home ground.
Yeah. You'll be
It'll be a
surprised.
good game,
I guess
actually.
we're due for a loss, but I don't want to say that too much.
Is this real wood?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's legit.
You better hope so.
What games are you looking forward to?
Well, I'm looking forward to Sharks versus Storm. Well, Sharks are playing pretty good. Did they win on the weekend? Yeah, they did win, and I tipped them.
Oh, good on you.
Yep. And Storm, obviously, playing great. I think it'll be a really good game.
Nice. Where is it? Do you know?
I think Melbourne. Oh, no, I don't know.
Who are you backing?
I'm backing Sharks.
Oh.
I low-key like Sharks lately. I don't know.
Oh.
Who are you backing? Who did you back last week? Did you back Sharks?
Can't remember. I don't know. My tipping wasn't like amazing, but
It never really is, I've noticed.
I backed the Storm. So, what other games are you looking forward to?
That's all I'm looking forward to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because Penrith aren't playing, so I'm not really like... But it's going to be really cold on Sunday, wet weather all weekend. The games might be a bit slippery and
You reckon?
slimy.
Yeah, it's good analysis. Yeah.
Oh, good enough. Okay, yeah. Slippery and wet,
Slide.
slidey. It's going to be a slip and slide.
My other game is probably Cowboys Seagulls. Cowboys are playing well. So are Seagulls. I don't know who I'm going for.
Seagulls lost,
Probably.
Cowboys.
I was thinking Cowboys.
Oh,
We agreed.
Yeah, finally. You saw it here first, guys. We're on the same page about something. How good. Okay, footy tipping comp winner. Coming first again, Red Gilly. Congratulations.
Is
You're
it
doing,
Gunner?
yeah, you're doing pretty good. Second, we have Houstonian. And third, we have Fig Jam. Let's see who tipped what. Red Gilly got the first 3 wrong, which I also got wrong. So,
And he went 5 straight.
and then he went 5 straight. Same as me. Red Gilly went.
Back to Warriors. Oh,
And Penrith. Good on you, Red Gilly. Okay, who have you tipped for next week? I've tipped. I'll read it out for you guys.
Have you
'cause
done already?
I know you really... Yeah. Oh, I do it on a Monday.
how do you? What's your process for
I like to
selecting these teams?
I like to go, and someone actually called me this, a perpetual contrarian, meaning I like to go against what's the norm. But that's because I like to back my teams that aren't doing so well. But I don't really listen to the...
It's working for you though, isn't it?
Kind of. I'm coming fourth. I don't really listen to like the stats, like how many people have tipped what.
You look for colours, don't you? You like...
That's with my horse racing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, Chris, another podcast episode done. Number 11.
Number 11?
How many do you have to go?
Double it and then add a couple more.
Great. So we're going to be here for a while. I hope you guys are still tuning in. We'll see you guys next week for more finance and footy.
Thanks, guys.